It's time to stop now. Traveling and adventures can wait. Instead of going out, it's time to go within. Meeting new people and loved ones can wait. We might feel lonely in these challenging times, but remember, we are not alone. We are in this together, and we can grow stronger together. Difficult times can make us more united than ever if we decide to stay strong together and choose love and kindness instead of fear. Essentially, we are all connected, even though we keep our distance. Now it's time to think of ourselves and others. Be grateful for all the great experiences, adventures, and memories we have created together. It's also time to create new dreams. When the day comes that we are free again to meet others and explore the world, we will respect life more than ever before.